SDK.finance, we bring fintech products to life. Contracts. This section is a central hub for managing vendor contracts that help to monetize your payment product efficiently. Here, you can set fixed commission rates or percentages along with the limits you define. These commissions and limits apply to transactions conducted internally in the system and to transactions involving external providers. Meet Mark, the Chief Revenue Officer. He is responsible for managing revenue streams and the business income. Mark's company has updated the terms of cooperation with online payment vendor EasyPay. That's why he should update the commissions and limit settings for this service within the system. This section is a central hub for managing vendor contracts. The Chief Revenue Officer can access information about existing contracts, including their names, types, start dates, and current statuses. Mark can also create new contracts via the system functionality. He needs just to add essential contract details like name, type, monthly fee, and start dates to approve the action. Once Mark finds the vendor, he has information about its operations, products like Vodafone and Kyivstar, supported currencies, and contract dates. To configure fees and limits for a specific contract for EasyPay, Mark follows the contract details section. It is a purchase for Vodafone products that requires contract updates according to new terms of cooperation with the payment provider. Here he can edit contract commission details. In this section, Mark enters the start and end contract dates. Here he can choose the commission type. For example, he uses the fixed +% category. From the right side, Marks configure the transaction amount, percents, and other details. Additionally, he can add another range below to continue the process. In the right section, the CRO configures contract limits. For instance, he can manage the maximum amount and number of transactions per day, and control the volume of transactions per specific period. This centralized approach streamlines contract management and simplifies fee and limit configuration, ensuring financial control. Vendors. His company has signed a new contract with a mobile payment provider, so he should add a new vendor to the system. He navigates to the vendor management section, where all system providers are represented, and uses the vendor creation functionality. In this section, Mark can specify the new vendor name, choose its integration within the system, and set up currencies. He can also define debt and reconciliation permissions and approve the vendor creation. Here we have information about system vendors, their creation date, and statuses. This section allows the CRO to view vendors' balances and operations. Here we check the online payment service EasyPay details to explore the system functionality. This column includes operation types like purchases, top-ups, withdrawals, and card issuing. The division into categories provides a tailored fee structure based on the product or service provided. For example, we have a fee for Vodafone top-up and a separate fee for MasterCard card issuing. This allows Mark to track vendor financial activity in a more detailed way. SDK.finance. We bring fintech products to life.